My name is Arthur Lozinski. I am the founder of Oomnitza. There are certain enterprise resources that require a system to manage key business processes. And they're the resources that businesses rely on the most. There's customer relationship management, and the key business process there is lead to cash. There's human capital management, HCM, which has hire to fire. There's enterprise resource planning, procure to pay. Of course, technology is now considered a critical resource in the enterprise. And in order to manage this technology, it requires its own system for these key business processes. Enterprise technology management is a single system of record for technology. Just like CRM is for customers, HCM is for employees, and ERP is for financials, it's time for CIOs to have their own enterprise application. So what is ETM? What is enterprise technology management? It consists of technology, which are our endpoints, servers, laptops, mobile phones, networking equipment such as routers and switches, infrastructure, virtual machines, AWS, Azure, and of course applications, both installed and cloud applications. Now this technology goes through a management process, and that management process consists of the purchase management, the deployment management, security management, the monitoring management, and of course the service management or maintenance management. And most enterprise IT teams have many technology portfolios, and they're going to use a combination of tools. They're going to use certain SSO providers, or they're going to use certain system management tools. Maybe they're running Jamf on their iOS devices and Intune on their Windows devices. Maybe they're running Meraki for their networking equipment. And each solution we choose and that we run in our IT enterprise solves an important problem. The issue is that the data and the processes are fragmented. The data and the processes live in different systems, and it requires extreme effort to manage. It's nearly impossible for one of these systems to be good in all of these areas. The old way of doing things is to put the ticket at the center, meaning every single ticket is syntax for human execution. The amount of technology that enterprises are facing now far outweighs the human resource capital available to manage this via tickets or humans. Some tools try to solve this by perpetuating the siloed approach. One tool for software asset management, one tool for hardware asset management, one tool for infrastructure. But what we found is that it only perpetuates the siloed tools approach, causing more friction, less oversight, and terrible data hygiene. The best way to solve this problem, we believe, is to put the machine, the applications, and the technology at the center of the workflow. Because we believe that the technology is smart enough to manage itself, at least to the point where human input is necessary. Oomnitza is the enterprise technology management solution that consolidates data from existing siloed tools to provide a single source of truth for endpoints, applications, cloud infrastructure, networking, and accessories. And what sets Oomnitza apart is our focus on serving the enterprise. Our number one focus is our people, and our results speak for themselves.